Welcome to lesson 7 of the step-by-step tutorial. So before we dive into the lesson, let's go back and look at the demo mobile app to actually see what it's doing with regard to search. And we can see here that we have both the simple search and advanced search available in a tab control, so the user can either do a simple search or an advanced search by clicking on the tab labels. So we're going to go back now to our component and add similar functionality to the component. So starting off with where we ended up on lesson number 6, you can see that we have our keyword search over here, and now we'd like to go in and add in an advanced search. But first notice that in the demo app there was a watermark displayed in the search field with the phrase enter value to search for. So let's go back to design mode now on our component, and then click on the search control at the very top of the list, and then scroll down in the property sheet until you get to watermark. Turn on watermark, and then for the watermark text type in enter value to search for. Now that we've got that done, let's go and place all three of these controls, the so-called simple search controls, in a tab control so the user can switch between simple search and advanced search. So to do that, let's start off by selecting all three of the controls. So to do that, you click on the first field, search, and then while holding down the button on the mouse, drag downwards until all three controls are selected. And now we'd like to add a tab control to the UX component. So tab controls are a type of container, so we need to go now to the containers category in the toolbox on the left. So you'll see containers is currently closed, so click on the icon to the left of the word to open it up, and you'll see that we need to select now the tab control, which is the first item in the list of container controls. So click on tab control, and then up comes the insert tab control dialog, and this allows us to either add in tab controls or accordion controls. Now an accordion control is conceptually the same as a tab control. It looks a little bit different, but the same builder is used to define an accordion control. So in this case we'll choose tab control, and now let's just type in the labels for the two tab panes that we want. So we want one label that says simple search, so type in simple search, then press enter to move to the new line, and now type in advanced search. Now click the OK button, and Alpha Anywhere will add the new controls to the UX component, and now you can see that it's telling us that we have an error. So if we hold our mouse over the show layout errors button, we can see that the error tells us that tab control number 2 doesn't have any controls in the second tab pane. So each tab pane in a tab control must have controls. So this error is okay because we know that we haven't yet added the fields for the advanced search. So let's go ahead now and first of all move the advanced search pane down so that it's below clear search. So now we've got the tab control starting, then inside the simple search pane we have these three controls, and now inside the advanced search pane we're going to add the controls for the advanced search. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.